Hello, this is my mac and cheese, as you say it, but it's with broccoli and quinoa. It's white and red quinoa, and with prosciutto and ricotta cheese, butter, olive oil, and milk. And to finish it, Parmesan cheese to top. And voila, stay tuned. So now I'm just mixing the ricotta cheese with the eggs and the milk and a little bit of butter in here. And then the bechamel is already done. And if you don't know how to make the bechamel, check in my previous videos. And then we're just gonna pour this into the and this is it. Stay tuned. So now I'm adding the bechamel on top of it. I added some Parmesan cheese inside of the bechamel because it creates a better consistency of the cheese and the spread of the oven. It's preheated at 375. And now I'm going to add the Parmesan on top, and it's ready to go in the oven. I hope you guys try this. The mac and cheese is ready. It smells amazing. And I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit.